Okay, so I got the Honda app on the tablet, hooked it up. Come on, FLASHPRO, connecting. Can't see the word connected. There you go, boom. Come on, and it's set there. It's live. Oh. So what you need to do is remove alternate pairing mode and unplug the USB, unplug the OBD access port, and then plug it back in. Doesn't matter which one. Go ahead and Bluetooth connection, and it worked. It did not work over here. It didn't say, it wasn't linking for any reason. It'll say not connected. Pretty sure obviously it's because it's not a unit or something, failed. But head over here, connect. Well, I should just be connected. Oh, FLASHPRO connected. Opened up the window and there I am. So yeah, hopefully this helps out people that have been in trouble trying to connect their Android units or head units on FLASHPRO and can actually drive around. I'm actually going to change all this stuff later on. I'm going to get my wideband sensor set up, and because I don't have a primary oxygen O2 sensor right now, I removed it because it's stuck on the stock header. I'll go ahead and hopefully do that next weekend, but this is something for you guys. It's hopefully helpful, I guess. So you know it's fall. All the leaves are on the car. Today's adventure, I'll be doing the spark plugs, oil change, and I finally got the coupler to run my cooler intake. I meant to cut the piping as well. Let's get this started. Okay, so what I did is I removed the battery because that's in a way for this stock intake tube, which I was running the whole time with no filter. In order to make this work, you have to use a 2.75. I accidentally bought a 2.5 thinking it would work, but just a tad bit tight and small. So 2.75 to 3-inch. This is a 3-inch intake. It'll sit like right there, and looks like I'm gonna have to cut it. Let's see, maybe like right here, straight down that line. I'll do some measurements and take a cut. Alright, so I end up using this little Dremel cutter to cut this half or quarter piece, whatever. And this is the new intake. Psych, I ain't using that piece. Cut this up real quick. One hand. It'll look better in a minute. Hold on. So it should look something like that, except this bracket broke. I just lifted it up and it snapped. Don't worry, it's not a real engine. It's just a sticker. This is the eBay cooler intake. Hence, I don't care about cutting it. And state of Washington, no more emissions. So, I don't care. But I do have to figure out a way to plug that up. Now the last piece of the puzzle is routing the intake air temperature sensor, which I might just put it right there at an angle, since you know it won't reach right there. Looks perfect. So right here is fine. Just got to find the size for that, because I do have a little insert that goes for it. Let's put this on. This hole, the size is what is it, 11/16. Not clearly a 3/4, but I'll go ahead and start it off with the smaller drill bit. Slowly make the hole, that way I can use this one and open it up. Okay, now I got the hole made. I'll go ahead and transfer the little grommet. Get it. I think it was this way. It was this way, doesn't matter. put it in there, transfer over the little intake air temperature sensor, then put it all back, and then do my oil change and spark plugs. This is the final product. I don't think I'm gonna need a clamp, but it's nice and tight and snug in there. That shouldn't be an issue, but that's how I ran it before. I don't care for much, but if I did have a 3-port oil cash can, I would have used it, but it's not going back into the system, so I don't care. But that's for that. Now for the oil change and spark plugs. So many of you have heard my VTEC. With the colder intake, it sounds better, so here's the clip.